Myself, Rajesh Mandan. I'm working as a Vice President, Plant Head in Schaeffler India Limited, MANEJA plant. For maintenance strategy, we make a 1 to 3 year or mid-term to short-term to long-term strategies in which we focus on that how can we improve the availability and uptime for the machines and our furnaces. This OPTIME sensor is a flagship product for our condition monitoring system at Schaeffler, and it has been proven at our R&D also. So thereby we have decided to put this flagship product in our MANEJA Schaeffler plant on our roller arc furnace, which is the most critical furnace for our performance. See, heat treatment is a continuous process. If there is an unforeseen breakdown, it leads to the losses as well as the batch inside will also loss. So material cost is very high, and these losses are also, heat treatment require a lot of cool downing process, which leads to extended breakdown. So looking to that, heat treatment is a most critical and important process for our MANEJA plant. We have a kind of unforeseen breakdown because of motors and fans of the furnaces may break down because of the continuous running situation. And there could be a untimely repairing cost and long breakdowns to cool down the furnace and take out the motors and fans and repair it and again mount it. So these kind of losses we need to avoid. This OPTIME sensor we mounted on the critical fans and motors, and which gives us the clear-cut vibrations. And we, from the vibration analysis, we can make out that if there is a problem with the motor or fan, what we can do is during our preventive maintenance, we can work on these motors and we can repair it without having a breakdowns. After putting this OPTIME sensors, we started analyzing the vibrations on the motors and fans. And based on that vibration, we analyze where it can be taken down, how can we repair this without losing our time. By implementing this OPTIME sensor, our furnace reliability, smoother workflow and consistency is improved, and we are able to eliminate the unforeseen breakdowns, and we are reaping that benefit now. With this improvement, our plant has got a very good reliability, overall efficiency improvement, and as well as we are going forward with the implementation of the more OPTIME sensors within the plant. And with this sensors available, we are able to connect more and more modules and machines, which will give the feedback so that our overall reliability and the consistency of the workflow will be improved. These OPTIME sensors are very user-friendly, can be implemented very easily. Anybody who has a critical operations or critical modules and machines or furnaces, they can easily mount on their requirement, and they can easily track those vibrations and the non-conformities, and they can easily avoid the unforeseen breakdowns with the help of these OPTIME sensors. See, with this OPTIME sensor introduction, this smart manufacturing is quite possible because this gives us a lot of improvement with respect to availability factor and avoiding the unforeseen losses, and which gives us also reliability, sustainability and continuity in our production processes. OPTIME sensor is a smart maintenance technique which prevent the losses in advanced stage and which also help in preventive maintenance, and it is a kind of a technique which enhances the competency and empowerment of the maintenance employee, which gives good idea to work on defects and improve those things. Together we can continue to innovate, reduce lost time and lasting value for our customers.